Hi guys, here's Petr. So as you know, I'm currently mostly finishing the development of my VRSEDGE app second generation. So I want to show you again some parts of the application, then you can see and see how it works, some features and functionality which are really unique based on my experience and knowledge which I gained in the last 15 years of playing online roulette with a roulette system. So this is the application. You can see the last part which I developed now is this custom numbers option. So I want to talk today about this custom numbers part. So I will enter several spins manually. Let's say then these numbers came like on a roulette. You can see immediately something is calculated, but what are these custom numbers? So if you click this radio button custom, then this part is activated. And then you can say you wanna play your own custom numbers. So you can choose, I wanna play number 35, I wanna play or observe 12 and also 18, and the fourth number I will play number 7. So you are saying these four numbers which you just defined are your, let's say, numbers pattern which you wanna observe, for which you wanna calculate this non-hit pattern, which is this part, average non-hit pattern, which will be calculated from these numbers. So then average VRS ratio, again calculated from these numbers here, for of course these four numbers. Then first, second and third standard deviation will be also calculated for these four numbers. So you can see now I will enter number 3 again. Then you can see immediately there is a non-hit is 1 because we didn't hit our four numbers. Average non-hit is higher. You will maybe say why. It's because it's taken from this part of the numbers. So you can see 35 has a 5, 12 as well 5, and so on. Therefore it's now 5. Average VRS is now 0 because these numbers never hit currently, therefore also they have a 0 here in this VRS ratio part. And standard deviation is already saying then if we take the second and third standard deviation, there is a range, then we could hit 0 times or 1 times already within one spin. So I will now enter several other spins, like then you can see what's going on. You can see then the non-hit part is really increasing, average as well, and then also standard deviations are providing a little bit bigger ranges. You can see then this is how you observe your custom numbers, and you can use them for analyzing your own numbers exactly using VRSEDGE app. Let's say that now 35 will come, which is our number. You can see what changed. Immediately non-hit is 0 because we currently hit one of our four numbers. Average non-hit is not 0 because maybe 35, you can see observe here, is non-hit is 0. That's fine, but the others, they are not 0. So if you go to 12, you can see there is a 10. If you go to 18, there is again 10 and 7 as well, and so therefore this average is not 0. Average VRS, so we can check 7 is a 0 and so on. So there is also 12, 18 VRSEDGE ratio is 0, and 35 is also 0. Therefore this average is 0. And standard deviations, of course, are all 0 because we currently receive one of our numbers from our pattern. So and this way you can, let's say, continue enter numbers. Everything is calculated automatically in this part for your custom numbers. You can change them anytime. You can change the numbers and so on, no issue. And but the very interesting thing and functionality is then you can, using a conditional dynamic betting, which means you can say, for example, if my average non-hit is currently 10, will reach 15 and more, I want to start betting using this part of money management, saying I will bet 3 levels, 8 spins, using this progression aggressivity and this minimum bet for my 4 numbers custom numbers pattern. So I will double click on this average non-hit part. You can see now it's blue, and if it is blue, the condition is valid. So I will start entering some other numbers, and you will see then average non-hit will increase, because I will not enter our numbers, right? So this will increase, and once we will reach our condition, which is higher or equal 15, we will start betting. So what will change is this session spins will start like a 1, session bankroll will be calculated. Look, now you can see then we are playing 4 numbers, therefore we were betting using the base bet 1, therefore it's -4 for 4 numbers. We are betting on 4 numbers. 1 spin is already done. We are playing 8 spins and 3 levels, and this way you can, let's say, dynamically set up your conditions when to start betting, and based on that you can analyze what is the best start to play your numbers. You can select from 1 to 6 numbers, your custom numbers, and for all these numbers you can calculate all these values, standard deviation, average, VRS, non-hit and non-hit pattern, and you can say I wanna start playing when this condition is, let's say, met, and here you are entering the conditions, which value should be achieved for your 4 numbers, for example, and then start betting. So this is quite nice feature, absolutely great. I like it very much. I will use it and analyze it. So different numbers, patterns, and different values here, saying what is the best and optimal setting when to start betting, for example. So I will enter another numbers like so you see then we are still playing. We are currently in a minute because we played 4 spins, but this is exactly how it works. And now I will, let's say, simulate, and our number 12 will come. So you can see non-hit is 0, our average non-hit decrease, but it's still equal 15 because other numbers are not 0, because only number 12 came. You can see number 12 is 0 non-hit, that's clear, but for example 7 is 23 spins didn't hit, 18 23, and so on. So this way is calculated. So you can see now we don't play any session spin is 0 because we finish our session successfully. You can see the drawdown was maximum 16 units, and then we are in a plus because we won and we receive, so we are currently in the profit. Perfect. And you can see also here risk reward ratio, we won one let's say session, because this successful means then we are betting 3 levels, 8 spins, and if we manage to hit one of our 4 numbers, that's successful. If not, then it's non-successful. And this also says this risk reward ratio. So you can see now if I enter another number, it start betting again because it's still activated. I can deactivate now, and you can see then if I enter number, nothing is changing here session, and it's the same because I deactivated the condition. I can deactivate another condition, so you can use any condition you like to use for start betting. If I activate again what we did and generate the number, you see then this changed, also this changed because we are currently playing. If I enter now 35, then non-hit is 0 for these 4 numbers, our bankroll increased, we are currently not playing, and risk reward ratio is 2 to 0. So this is a very unique custom numbers section where you can analyze it and prepare for yourself. You can build very fast any idea of your own system using from 1 to 6 custom numbers, analyzing these 6 parts, create dynamic conditions for you based on you can run, let's say, random spins, 1000, 5000 random spins or more, and see, is this condition quite good? I am still in the profit. What was my biggest drawdown? Should I change progression aggressivity, or should I decrease the levels, increase the spins, and so on? This you can analyze very fast, quickly, and end up with a really huge, robust, nice, perfect working system which you can use and apply in live casino very fast. But I'm saying once again, what is in this app, what is in VRSEDGE is what I experience and what is my own knowledge and experience. There is nothing what is simply never worked for me and it was just losing money. It's not here. What I developed is this idea which I somehow came up after 15 years of applying several systems and trying different approach. So this is the way how I think it's possible to generate really robust roulette systems and use them for live sessions and stay in the profit. If you take the whole package of the rules, which I'm teaching in my webinars and explaining also in my live sessions, then you use this advantage, take this VRSEDGE app. I think this is a great tool for you to create your own very robust system. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. I enjoyed the session and see you next time. Bye bye.